Take your time, mastering patience in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase, take your time. Understanding this phrase not only helps you in daily conversations but also enriches your comprehension of the cultural nuances in English-speaking countries. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important. Take your time is a phrase that encourages someone not to rush and to use as much time as they need to complete a task or make a decision. It's a gentle reminder that speed is not always essential, and quality or careful thought might be more important. This phrase reflects patience and understanding from the speaker towards the listener. To better grasp how "take your time" is used in everyday English, let's look at some examples. In a professional setting, your boss might say, "Take your time" on a project to ensure you're delivering your best work without feeling overwhelmed. In personal relationships, if a friend is going through a difficult decision, saying, "Take your time" shows support and patience, allowing them the space to think things through. While learning, teachers often use this phrase to encourage students not to rush through their work, promoting a deeper understanding of the material. This phrase is more than just about time. It's about valuing quality, reducing stress, and showing empathy. In fast-paced societies, hearing "take your time" can be a relief and a reminder that it's okay to slow down. It fosters a supportive environment, whether at work, in personal relationships, or in educational settings. In some cultures, time is seen as very flexible, and saying, "Take your time" is quite common. In others, where punctuality and efficiency are highly valued, this phrase might be used less frequently but carries a lot of weight when it is used, signaling genuine care for the person's well-being. Understanding and using the phrase, "take your time," can significantly impact your communication in English. It's not just about the words. It's about what they represent: patience, support, and empathy. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using and responding to "take your time" in your daily interactions. Thank you for watching, and remember, take your time to practice and absorb what you've learned today.